So today, Harper and I are going to have a special visitor to our garden. Who's coming to see us today? Okay, let's try that again. Okay, 3. All right. Harvest it. Take a bite. Here, get the one and one. Baby double big. Boston? Boston difference? Yeah. Alright. That's it. But that's okay. So much meat on them, but they're not, I mean, they're still juicy.
So, to the Roth family. I've seen your YouTube videos and I think your garden is amazing. You're doing such a great job, so I wanted to send you some seeds for your garden next year. I hope I can come visit your garden sometime. Excellent. I just had a tour with Harper and his family of their garden. It was amazing. And he picked me some vegetables for me to take home, and I want to share with you what he got for me. So let's just take a look. Harper, can you tell us just real quick, tell me what you got in here?
So first we have, I'll take my glove off real quick.
Okay.
So first we have a banana pepper.
Okay, can you show me? There you go. It's a nice looking banana pepper. What else you got?
We have 2 yellow heirlooms.
All right. What else we got in there?
We have a carrot,
Okay.
tomatillos,
Tomatillos.
yellow bells, and cherry tomatoes. And last but not least,
Get them?
wait, it's not last. Let's do that. This guy. We have a blue lake. And then last but not least, a corn squash.
Acorn
Wait, I want to
squash.
show them the gold part.
Yep. How did we tell that they were done?
Wait,
How
I
about
don't
on this
see it.
one? It's on this one. Show them on that
Where's the gold part on this?
one. Okay. Just do this one.
So these are acorn squash that we harvested.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Harper. Thanks for giving me a tour of your garden, and to the Roth family. Make sure that you guys go check out their YouTube channel. I'm going to share the link below. Go check them out. Give them some likes. Give them some love. They're doing a great job. Couldn't be happier about seeing kids in the garden. They're doing an amazing job. They have some amazing stuff here, and I think you're going to see more from them pretty soon. Say the thing. Go ahead.
And don't forget to click and subscribe, and I will see you in the backyard.
Bye.